this video, I will show you how to create your own viral AI influencer using free AI tools. I'll guide you step by step through the fastest, easiest, and most importantly, completely free method to generate photorealistic AI influencers like Aitana Lopez, Emma Graham, and Bermuda Isbai. These viral AI influencers are earning upwards of $10,000 a month, and with this free method, you too can start generating a steady monthly income. Make sure to watch closely and stick with me throughout the entire video because I'll be dropping invaluable tips along the way that will save you both time and money. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. We'll be using Fooocus as our platform to create our AI influencer model, then utilizing Fooocus's various features to create consistent characters with different poses, outfits, and backgrounds based on our base model. I'll also show you how to do a face swap with an existing image in a much more efficient way than other face swap methods available. Google Colab is a platform where you can write and run code collaboratively with a stable and user-friendly interface called Fooocus. This software generates images and is similar to a blend between Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. Now, let's get started. I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you click on this link, you'll need to log into your Gmail account first. After logging in, click here to connect. It might take a few seconds to connect to the server. Once connected, click the play button in the top left corner. When you do this, you may get a warning message, but you can safely ignore it and click Run anyway. It's perfectly safe. Now, the code will start running. Once it's finished, find the URL that ends with Gradio Live and click on it. We're now officially inside Fooocus. Click on Advanced, then navigate to the Settings tab. There are 4 options. The first one is Performance. I prefer to set it to Speed because it's faster and still delivers excellent results. As for the aspect ratio, you can use any option, but I'll stick with the default one. For the image number, I'm going to change it to 1. Lastly, for the negative prompt, I'll leave it blank, but feel free to type in anything you don't want to appear in the image. Now, under the Style tab, we'll select the kind of style we want our image to have. I'm keeping the default options as they usually enhance the image quality. I'll also add the Fooocus photograph style, which makes the images look more like photographs, which is what we're aiming for. For the model, I'll be using Juggernaut XL version 8. Their latest version. I'm not going to add any refiners, and I'll keep the default lore. In the Advanced tab, we'll leave everything as is. Let's start generating some AI influencers. We need a prompt here to create our models. The simplest way is to copy prompts from image generation sites like Leonardo.ai, Tensor.art, Cividai.com, or CR.ai. We're looking for a photorealistic prompt. I found a great photorealistic image generated on Leonardo.ai, as you can see here, so you can use this prompt as a base and tweak it to fit your needs. I've left the prompt in the description for you. Now, paste the prompt and click Generate. It's so exciting to watch the image generation process unfold before your eyes. These results are pretty good. The details in the hair and freckles make her look very lifelike. Let's try generating again to see what else it comes up with. I haven't changed the prompt, but since the random feature is set by default, it's created slightly different poses, hairstyles, outfits, and backgrounds without needing to modify the prompt. Oh, I like these ones too. Now I want to generate some more images with the top and bottom extended, so we'll return to the main screen and click on Input Image. Under the Input Image tab, we see options like Upscale or Variations, where you can upscale your image or create variations. There's also the Image Prompt option, where we can generate models with different outfits and backgrounds using a source image. The Face Swap option allows you to swap faces. Pyrocani lets you input poses you want to mimic. CPDS lets you fuse different structures and backgrounds. The In-Paint or Outpaint tab is where you can fix imperfections, modify content, or extend the image's borders. And finally, the Describe option lets you upload an image and generate a prompt for that image. Since I want to extend this image at the top and bottom, we're going to use the In-Paint or Outpaint function. I'll select a size of 13 by 19 for this. I've added revealing shoulders in the prompt. Let's generate once again. I think our AI influencer model is starting to look more polished. Now I want to generate this in a 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm curious if the result will be the same or different. Okay, it's a little different, but with the same face. I think we've got it now. Wow, she looks stunning. She's the one. Now that we've generated our AI influencer model, let's explore what else Fooocus can do to help her gain fame. Let's check out the Upscale or Variations tab. Again, from the main page, click on Input Image. For variations, we have 2 options, very subtle and very strong. This means the image change will either be minor or quite drastic. It combines the original image with the prompt to create a new one. Let's try Very Subtle first and hit Generate. These look like the original image. One seems a bit too enhanced, but the other one looks good. Now let's try the Very Strong setting. It's still the same face, but the hairstyle has changed slightly. You can use this to create variations in hairstyles or other elements like clothing. Let's generate another one, this time adding a prompt, big smile with teeth showing. These look great and realistic. I'm going to add another prompt, in front of a restaurant in Paris, drinking a cup of coffee. I'm curious to see how it turns out. These look pretty good, although the finger in the first image is a bit off. Occasionally, you might encounter imperfections like weird hands or extra details, but you can easily fix these by adjusting the settings or using the In Paint function here. Now, here's the really fun part. Let's explore the Image Prompt tab. You can use this when you want to modify an existing image's background, outfit, or other elements by combining it with a specific prompt. I'll show you several ways to do this, so follow along closely. First, click on the Advanced button at the bottom. I've already uploaded the target image here and changed the weight to 0.8. The higher the weight, the closer it resembles the original input image. I added, she is in Lucerne standing on a busy street wearing a winter dress to see what it generates. The background looks real and gives off a Lucerne vibe. Another awesome way to do a face swap is to use the image prompt feature along with the upscale or variations function. Upload an image of the pose you want to use under Image Prompt. I inserted a picture of a woman in a white dress at the beach and added a prompt saying, she is at the beach. Then, upload the face you want to use in the Upscale or Variations tab. Lastly, go to the Advanced tab on the right, click on Developer Debug Mode, and under the Control tab, select Mixing Image Prompt with Very Upscale. Let's see how it turns out. The new image looks just like our AI influencer wearing a white dress with a beach background. A helpful tip here, if you encounter an error screen during the generation process, don't worry. When this happens, just go back to the Google Colab Fucus platform and press the play button again. Let it run, and when you see the Gradio.live link again, click on it to return to the starting screen. Here's another method to perform a face swap. From this screen, click on Input Image, then the Image Prompt tab. Click on Advanced at the bottom. Now select Face Swap and upload the image you want to use. Input the original prompt to generate the model, and I added, she's eating a steak dish at a restaurant in Paris, and hit Generate. Watching this generation process is so enjoyable. Wow, I'm impressed with the results. It did a great job maintaining our AI influencer's face while generating images with detailed elements like the people in the background and the restaurant interior. Although this model can generate NSFW content, that's not the route I'll be teaching you to make money. Instead, I recommend promoting products through affiliate links, and I'll show you how. Let's make our influencer go to the club. If I want to add a necklace to her outfit, just use the In Paint function. Drop your image in, select the area where you want the necklace to appear, type in necklace, and wait. That's a beautiful necklace. You can use this tool to add sponsored products to your influencer's scene or even Photoshop. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a stunning, photorealistic AI influencer from scratch, all using free tools. The possibilities with AI influencers are endless, from creating unique content to monetizing through affiliate marketing or even collaborating with brands. The best part? You don't need any expensive software or prior experience to get started. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start experimenting, tweak your prompts, and create an AI influencer that's truly one of a kind. And don't forget, the more you practice, the better your results will be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on AI tools and techniques. Oh, and remember that bonus I promised? Check the description for a special tool that will help you take your AI influencer game to the next level. Absolutely free. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing AI influencers you'll create. See you in the next video.